This is Näsets Udde in Södertälje, a beautiful sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea in a rather interesting neighborhood close to the industrial area of Södertälje. That is, as I was passing by here with the bus along Scania, that is one of the main factories, but there are even more as well. Many different companies have their factories here in Södertälje. It is 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out soon how is the temperature in the water. So it is quite late actually now. It is almost 7 p.m. and this is not my first beach adventure of the day, as I have already been to Nykvarn earlier today, to Lövnäsbadet. That is also a nudist beach. Well, has a public beach itself and a nudist one indeed. But I have made a promise that I will be visiting the sea every single day during my SL journey, the public transport journey. So I am now here today on the sea at Södertälje. So so I should have potentially gone home after Nykvarn, but I wanted to take a swim in the sea as well today. And Södertälje is actually on the way to Nykvarn, so I just wanted to continue my streak at the sea at this beautiful beach that I have been to actually last year as well. I remember the weather was pretty much the same. Why I always time the same type of weather? To be fair, there was a bit of sun earlier today, but yeah. So yeah, this is what we have. Nature all around and a parking lot close to this beach. So let's check the temperature of the water. But it feels a bit cold. At the lake in Nykvarn, it was 18 degrees Celsius. I don't think it will be that warm over here. Slightly colder for sure it will be. Enjoy in the beach view, as I want to have a more accurate measurement of the temperature. Beach the number 56 today, and a cloudy Friday as such, and 15 degrees Celsius in the sea. Can you see that? Yeah, exactly, 15 degrees Celsius, and this is the sea. Well, here close by they have built an artificial canal to connect the Baltic Sea with the Mälaren lake on the other side. So if you go further up in Södertälje, you can also find beaches on the Mälaren lake, the third largest lake in Sweden. Obviously most of Stockholm is on Lake Mälaren as well. Well, one part of it, and then the other part is on the Baltic Sea. Perfect combination. And not to mention all the other natural lakes as well. Okay, then let's go in for a swim, despite being a bit chilly, I would say. And now the wind is doing even tougher to get into the water, but the show must go on. And let's then go in for a swim. As they said on their forecast, it's gonna start raining today, but it hasn't been raining at all. So maybe the rain has passed over Stockholm as it usually does. Here the bottom is sandy, super sandy, as well as the same sand on the beach. And I have been in Södertälje last week, and a very modest beach in a neighborhood. That was actually where my bus was going to, actually, as the last station, Pershagen. I would not go there. I think it was called Brenningestrand. It was very modest. This is much better, and I have this piece of nature all by myself at 7 p.m. on this 11th of July, Friday. And 19 degrees Celsius in the air, 15 in the sea. So let's go in for a swim. Ooh, it gets deep already. Look at that, it's not even 10 meters from the it started. It escalated quickly, as one used to say some few years back. So yeah, Näsets, Udde. And another sea adventure for Mr. Kris. That is me. So yeah, that is a wrap from this beach in Södertälje. Näsets, Udde, the second beach in Södertälje that I'm visiting this year. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.